Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish curry and rice, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh fish, 1 cup of rice, and various spices. Begin by washing and cutting your fish into 2-inch pieces, then marinate it with a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of salt. Next, rinse your rice thoroughly until the water is clear. Finally, chop 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Now let's get that perfect fluffy rice cooking. In a medium pot, combine 1 cup of your rinsed rice with 2 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the pot from the heat and let the rice rest, still covered, for 5 minutes before fluffing it gently with a fork. Next, we'll build the flavorful base for our fish curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in your ginger garlic paste and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Finally, add 2 diced tomatoes and cook until they soften and release their delicious juices. To finish our curry, stir in 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, mixing well. Gently add your marinated fish pieces to the simmering curry base. Now, pour in 1 cup of rich coconut milk and a 1/2 cup of water, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the fish is tender and cooked through. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot with your fluffy rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.